guys, so I have Jason here. Jason's gonna go walk around with us, show all the new products by Aiper. You wanna go and check it out?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm very excited to show you what we've got going on this year. So the first thing I want to kind of mention out, one of the big things that sets the Scuba X1 Pro Max apart is our TVC engine.
Okay.
What is the TVC engine? We actually took this design from fighter jets. Now,
Wow.
how does that work in your pool? Well, more maneuverability, more power. We have an industry-leading 8,500 gallons per hour of filtration, and I mean, just nobody can compare to that. Right?
So I love how you guys are showing the inner workings of the particular robot at the same time.
Absolutely, and I mean, it's one of those things like people ask us, how does it clean all the time?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a creative guy. I'm not R&D. I'm not a scientist. It's like I point to this. Even this looks like so high tech, and some of the things that we've done with this. This is the part that allows us to do our adaptive clean. So now, depending on your cleanliness level in the pool, the Pro 1 Max is going to do up its power if it's really dirty, or if you keep your pool well maintained, it's going to lower its power and clean a little bit longer.
So it's adjust based on its needs.
Absolutely. Kind of talking about water quality over here, we have this device in here. This is our HydroComm device. It's a 5-in-1 water quality monitoring and communication device. And communication. So we also have an app that goes with this.
Okay.
So you're going to be able to see what your water quality is like. You're going to be able to tell your device to come back up into the water so you don't have to fish it out.
Oh, okay.
But it will also tell you things like your temperature. So you can determine if you want to go for a swim.
Yeah, right.
Like, nobody likes getting in that pool and being like, oh, no, I'm done. But it'll also give you tailored solutions based on, like, if your pool needs a little more chlorine, we'll tell you that.
Oh, that's awesome. And it's solar powered too, so
absolutely,
just throw it in there and you're done.
Yeah. So now here we are, we're in front of the Pool 1 Max tank. Pro 1 Max, Pro Max. Even I get that mix up sometimes. And again, this is what our all-in-one solution. So what we're demoing right now is we've got two devices in here. One's dedicated to the floor and one's doing the entire pool. Throughout the day, it's been on the water's surface. Taking care of your skimming. So this does the floor, the walls, the water line, the pool surface. It does platforms, beach areas. It knows the obstacles. It knows where your ladders are. It knows where your steps are. And this is probably one of the first devices that clean everything.
So it's just autonomously working on its own and detecting everything.
Absolutely. And if you ever want to switch to the floor specifically, or the wall specifically, like I said in that app, we've got that ability to just switch to the clean that you need.
So you just focus on what you need to at that point as well.
Absolutely.
That's so cool.
And if
it's so quiet too.
Yeah, I mean, you can see, but you can also, with this kind of pool, you can see the power coming out.
Yeah, you can see that.
The water bubbles just coming out of it. One of the other things, before I get to a filter, is you've got this caddy system here. This is actually going to be what charges your device now. So you don't have to plug your device, you don't have to plug the X1 Pro Max in anywhere.
Okay.
Just set it here on the caddy, and charging's going to happen.
And you can go ahead and move it easily with that.
You can absolutely move it. Like if you really don't want to lift up, we've given you this as an additional little tool here. And then the filter. One of the other things that we are really proud of is we get down to 3 microns.
Oh, wow.
3 microns small with our dual filters. We're going to pull one of these out.
There we go.
Very easy top-loaded design. And it's massive. I think it's
that's big.
5 to 7 liters of just dirt and debris that get caught in here. It's like nothing escapes. Nothing. It's easy entry, easy to handle. There's no real learning curve to using this. Very simple on this LED. If you don't have a cell phone app, very simple control mechanisms right here on top.
That's always great to have that physical feature to it too, you know, not just having to control it via an app.
Yeah, people like that tactile feel.
Yes.
They like that control over elements. So we've really kind of done the best to give different users the treatment that they want.
That is pretty cool. Awesome. Well, yeah, really exciting stuff here with Aiper. Other than that, I mean, thank you once again for having us.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah.
We're happy to have you.
Yeah, and we'll see you guys next year. Bye.